And consider this, the junkyard coming to Bonanzaville. It's the Red River Valley Horseless Carriage Club's 43rd annual Art Olson Memorial Swap Meet and Car Show. Vendors put vintage cars, parts, and antiques on display, then wheel and deal trades. The public showed off classic vehicles, with some of them causing quite the buzz.
I think I've heard some people talking about some of the really nicely restored Ford Model A's that we have here today. I think I've heard that we have Model A's of every year that they were made, 1928 through 1931.
Ferguson also says that when the weekend of the swap meet and car show comes up, people are waiting at the gates in the morning for them to open just so they can be first and get the best available.